What about you?
It is the first meeting to you, so firstly you give introduction yourself.
Okay. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. My name is Vinod. I am from Madhya Pradesh, India. I live in Bhopal. I have completed BTech in mechanical. Now I am working job. If I talk about my family, there are 5 members in my family. If I talk about my strength, I am hard worker, quick learner, and my hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, listening song. That's all about me. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, thank you for giving me that opportunity. I'm Seema from Maharashtra. If I talk about my education, I have done my Bachelor of Science and Diploma in Pharmacy. If I talk about my hobbies are reading book, watching movie, and I like to play badminton. That's all about me.
Okay, so you are from Maharashtra. Okay,
Yes.
so how often do you go to Mumbai?
Could you repeat?
I am asking how often do you go to Mumbai?
Yes, I went there. Mumbai is so nice place, dreamy place.
Have you seen any actor and actress in Mumbai?
No, I didn't see, but I see building.
Okay, so please tell me about Maharashtra. How is Maharashtra?
Okay, Maharashtra is so nice place and coolest place I think, and I like Maharashtra because it's so nice forest place, and there are so many tourist place. Just like if you go in Pune, so there are so many tourist place and port also available, so you can visit there, and there are
Okay,
so many things.
okay. If I talk about Madhya Pradesh, there are a lots of good city available like Indore. Indore is the cleanest city of India, and Bhopal is a very good city. If I talk about farmers, there are a lots of farmers available, and they are cropping like they are sowing it in what is called all vegetable all vegetables they are sowing, and there are a lots of engineering college available, and
Hmm.
so hospital, so there are a lots of facility available in Madhya Pradesh. And
That's
there,
nice.
yes, and there are a lots of tourist place available like Ujjain. You can visit Bhopal. There are a lots of tourist place. Have you have you ever visit Madhya Pradesh?
Yes, I visit, and it's near to our Maharashtra boundary. So I visited there, but I went village area. I didn't go Bhopal and other state in Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, and I have visited I have visited Nagpur 2018-19. I
Hmm.
I had some work at that time. That's why I had visited in Nagpur.
Okay, okay. Nagpur also a very nice city, and you when we can do jobs, there are so many jobs available, industries available. So it's nice. And Mumbai also, very dreamy place because most of the people go there and settle there for earning money.
Yes, yes. You are
Yes,
talking about Mumbai.
yes, I'm talking about Mumbai.
Yes, but it is a so coastal city, expensive city. If we have skills, we can survive there. After that, we cannot live. If we have skill, like if we have degree and if we know some work after that, live in Mumbai. Am I right or wrong?
Right, right. But when we go for job purpose for earning money, so it is Mumbai gives very good salary if you do job anywhere. So yeah, we can easily survive. Yes, it's expensive city and very crowded area. So in poor people, I think it is so difficult to live there, but it's nice place.
Yes, yes. And there are a lots of famous city, but if we have a money, if we have a job, so we can enjoy and we can go anywhere. So,
Yeah.
which state do you want to visit? Which state do you want to visit, and which state do you like?
Okay, I want to visit Kashmir. I like, and second one is I like to visit in Kedarnath, Badrinath, Uttarakhand.
Yes, yes, Uttarakhand. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And there are two dham available in Uttarakhand.
Yeah, could you repeat?
There are four dham available in Uttarakhand, like Gangotri, Yamunotri.
Yes, yes, that's why I want to go there. And temple also, temples are there, and it's the coolest place, and so many eyes here and there. So I want to see their scene.
Yes, yes,
I many more time in movies and anyone, my friend circle and my family circle who went there and they captured picture. So I want to visit there.
okay, that's a great. And so, please tell me about the Jammu Kashmir and which purpose do you want to go and which thing do you like there?
Mostly I want to I like their uh, I like their scene. I want to enjoy nature.
Yes,
That's why I want to go there.
the
And
we can see snowfall, ice fall. What is called snowfall, ice fall?
yeah, I enjoy. I like to enjoy there.
Yes, and if we go Jammu Kashmir and we feel like heaven, okay, and there are there are a lots of ice available, and really it is so hot. And if we go Jammu Kashmir, we can a lot of enjoy and we can feel like heaven.
Yes, yes. And lots of productions of apples in Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes, and they are showing apple, apple,
Yes.
almond, and what is called.
What's your favorite fruit?
Yes, my favorite food is like banana, mango, apple. No, no. It's a fruit. Yes, my favorite food is dal bafle.
No, no, no. I asked fruit, not food.
Fruit.
You are right. Yes, food, food. So if I give banana, mango, and apple, so you have to choose only one. So what do you want to choose?
I choose apple because it
Apple.
has iron and it has a iron. Uh, if we eat, we it is so healthy. Healthy.
Lots of vitamins and mineral content.
What?
That's why you want healthy life. That's why you like to eat apple. Is it right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, but I like more mango. I liked when season came and I eat mango more. I like their taste, and yes, it's contain vitamin C and lots of vitamins there. It's very helpful and good for body. So I enjoy, and it's the seasonable fruit. So and now it's available, so I like mango more.
Okay, that. And I have mango tree because I have a land and a mango tree. Okay, and there there are a lots of mango available. Okay, if
That's good.
in a village I go to my field, I see mango and I yes
Yeah, in my village also mangoes available, and in my home also mango trees, and there are so many mango nows, but it's not ripe. It will be take time. I think 15 days after it will be ripe. So I like to eat ripe mango.
yes yes. So do you so when do you go to your village? Like you go to Diwali time.
Actually, village it's near to my in my city, so I used to go every weekend. So it is Saturday today, so I will go today. Every Saturday we go.
Okay, so do you have land?
Yes, I have land, and we are a farmer.
You have
We have farm.
how many acre do you have?
I have maybe 3 acre, means 6 acre.
Okay, that's
Yes.
great.
Yeah.
Okay, so we should wrap up the call. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you so
Nice.
much. Give me your
Yeah.
valuable time. Nice to talk.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, well.